with Robertson Racing. This is Mooncake, my Mazda2. Today I'm going to be installing a Valkyrie engineering battery kit. I race Sundae Cup with Gridlife, and the Valkyrie engineering battery is going to help me save some weight and make a little more room in the engine bay. So here is my Valkyrie engineering battery kit. This is the Antigravity battery with restart technology, so the battery will never die. It'll save enough energy that you will always be able to restart it right here. These are the battery terminals. The larger one is for the positive terminal. And over here we have the battery tray. So this is what I'll install in my car. The battery will sit on top of there. These are the uprights. And this is the cap to hold it all together. Now it comes with the hardware that's necessary for this. Here we've got the 2 bolts for the terminals. That takes a 5mm Allen wrench. And these are the bolts to hold the tray kit together. That takes a 4mm Allen wrench. Okay, as you can see here, I have removed the old battery and the plastic tray along with it. And here is my Valkyrie engineering battery tray. You can see I need to find a location for it here, but because my car has this edge that will prevent it from seating fully, we've cut an aluminum plate to go underneath the tray just so that everything is secured level when we attach the battery tray. I'm just going to drill some holes through this plate and through the metal of the battery mount. Okay, now that I've got my holes drilled and ready to go, I'm going to put the side posts on the battery tray, assemble it a little bit before we install it. I'm going to put a little drop of blue Loctite on each of these bolts. And install the side posts. So I've got my plate ready to install here. You can see that I've put my aluminum backing plate onto the battery mount, and I've only got 3 screws in here at the moment because I only have 3 places where it's going to contact with the car's mount. This one is not going to touch anything, so that's why I only have 3 in here. And I've got some washers and some nuts that will go on the back side of these once I get it installed. All right, now I'm ready to install the battery. So I'm just going to take a look at the orientation. My stock battery has a positive on this side. And I've got my screws ready to go with a dab of blue thread lock on there. So I'm going to take my cap here, just thread it into the holes. All right, it's all snugged up. And now I'm ready to put my terminals on. My stock battery was closest to this side and this side, so pop those caps off. Got the larger one is positive. I'm gonna insert this little square threaded block into there. Just like that. That's good. And one for this side. Got a little stopper back there, so pretty easy to get it into place. Okay, just gonna reconnect my power here. There we go. And this one. Okay, I'm all ready to start it up, and as you can see, the Valkyrie engineering mount kit with the anti-gravity battery is much neater, leaves so much more space in the engine bay, and much lighter than my stock battery. The kit is everything I needed, very easy to install, just a few simple tools, and very fast. I'm Becky with Robertson Racing, and this is Mooncake, my Mazda 2, and we'll see you in Sunday Cup with Gridlife.